Welcome to Quiz Quintessence, your YouTube home for the very best quizzes. This is a Geography 50-question quiz, and the questions are moderate to difficult, so don't expect to get them all. There is absolutely no multiple choice. Providing answer options isn't a real quiz. The questions are rapid fire. You have 10 seconds to answer once the question appears. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. The entire 50-question quiz takes less than 12 minutes. If you enjoy the quiz and would like to see more, hit like, subscribe, and share. With that, let's get started. Zanzibar is part of what country? Tanzania. What is the highest mountain in Japan? Mount Fuji. What is the deepest lake in North America? Great Slave Lake in Canada. What is Europe's second longest river? Danube. What strait separates Europe and Asia? Bosporus. What country has the highest percentage of its area that is desert? Libya. By city proper limits, what is the most populous national capital city in the world? Beijing, China. What island is nicknamed the Spice Isle for its production of nutmeg and mace? Grenada. By area, what is the world's largest freshwater island? Manitoulin and Lake Huron. What country has the most United States immigrants? Mexico. How many locks are there on the Suez Canal? Zero. The Rockies are the longest mountain range in the United States. What is the second longest range? Appalachian Mountains. By area, what is the second largest island nation in the world? Madagascar. What is the largest desert in Australia? Great Victoria Desert. To the nearest 10%, what percent of the world's population lives in the Northern Hemisphere? 90%. By area, what is the largest Japanese island? Honshu. What country only borders Saudi Arabia? Qatar. What are the only two U.S. state capitals with rhyming names? Boston and Austin. What is the highest mountain in Turkey? Mount Ararat. What is the only country that falls in all four hemispheres? Kiribati. On average, what is the shallowest ocean? Arctic Ocean. What is the driest nonpolar desert in the world? Atacama in Chile. What U.S. state has the lowest percentage of its area that is water? New Mexico. What is the capital of the Canadian province of British Columbia? Victoria. What is the official language of Greenland? Greenlandic, an Eskimo Aleut language. What country is bordered by Brazil, French Guiana, and Guyana? Suriname. What country does China have its longest land border with? Mongolia. What U.S. state has the highest percentage of federal land? Nevada, 81%. What is the largest island in the Atlantic Ocean? Greenland. What is the largest city on the Mississippi River? Memphis, Tennessee. What is the largest volume lake in Europe? Lake Ladoga, Russia. How many oceans are there? Five. Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, Southern. By area, what is the largest country in Central America? Nicaragua. What is the highest mountain in Europe? Mount Elbrus. By area, what is the largest Canadian province? Quebec. What river flows through Rome? Tiber. What is the highest mountain in Canada? Mount Logan. By area, what is the second largest country in South America? Argentina. What is the most populous Canadian province? Ontario. What was the first European country to create national parks? Sweden, 1909. The world's largest pyramid by volume is in what country? Mexico, the Great Pyramid of Cholula. What is the world's widest river? Amazon, from 7 to 25 miles wide, depending on the season. What natural landmark was the inspiration for the song America the Beautiful? Pikes Peak in Colorado. By area, what is the second smallest U.S. state? Delaware. What national capital rises where the Blue Nile and White Nile converge? Khartoum, Sudan. What country is bordered by Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Ukraine, and Russia? Belarus. What is the most populous country the equator passes through? Indonesia. What U.S. state has the lowest highest elevation point? Florida, 345 feet. What is the highest active volcano in the world? Ojos del Salado. In the 48 contiguous U.S. states, what is the most southern state capital? Austin, Texas. How did you do? I hope you enjoyed the quiz, and if you did, please hit like, subscribe, and share to see more. See you next time.